Hey, good evening, guys. Steven here up in Wilkesbarre, PA. If you guys saw my first video that I had on, this is Banana Joe's over on Wilkesbarre Boulevard, the abandoned train station. And I was here earlier this afternoon where I took a video, and nothing came. I'm doing what they call a spirit box session. I have a spirit box which gives us the opportunity to communicate with spirits. So I did a session earlier this afternoon where I thought nothing came over the radio, but when I got home and I actually put earphones and went over everything, I actually heard a bunch of stuff. Now the crazy thing is, within that session that I did, there was like a handful of voices, but the weirdest and the strangest thing was gunshots. For like, I don't know, a couple of minutes, there were sounds of gunshots. It's hard to explain it unless you heard it yourself, which I'm going to see if I throw the recording online and you guys can put earphones on and you'll know exactly what I mean. But I happen to be in the area. It's late at night. Well, not late, it's like 10 o'clock or whatsoever. But I wanted to see if things changed from earlier this afternoon. So I'm asking, are there any spirits out here that could hear me? If you could hear me, communicate to me using this radio. It's called a spirit box. That noise you hear gives me the opportunity to talk to you. If there are any spirits here from the spirit world, my name is Steven, and I just come by to say hello. Is there anybody here from the spirit world that can hear me? Now I hear little bits and pieces of voices, but if you could speak loud as you can and clear, I could actually make out what you're saying and I could respond. Is there anybody here from the spirit world that can hear me talking? I come here with no disrespect intended. I love the building. It's a beautiful building that I'm surprised nobody puts money into that building and gets it back to where we could use it. I wish I had the money to fix it. Now again, I say I hear a couple of voices in the background here. Is there somebody trying to communicate with me? Yes or no? I don't know if it bothers you that people come by and admire the building. I would hope it doesn't. It's just a beautiful building and its history. I hope you don't feel like I'm bothering you. If you feel that I'm bothering you and you want me to leave, just say leave and I'll leave. Let me ask one question before I do leave. Earlier today, when I was here and I took a video and I did a spirit box session earlier this afternoon, not only did I hear voices, but I heard gunshots. Do you guys know anything about that? Why I heard gunshots on the radio? Is there anybody in the spirit world that can hear me that knows anything about the gunshots that I heard over the radio? you guys realize that in 2 days it's going to be Christmas? Do you guys celebrate Christmas? Yes? No? If you do celebrate Christmas, then Merry Christmas, and I hope it's good for you. I don't know, as being a spirit, do you celebrate it? Being a spirit, do you feel the cold? Today is pretty warm, but it's been cold these last couple of days. Do you guys feel the cold weather? Well, I'm gonna go. I don't want to bother nobody. And like I said, in a couple of days it's gonna be Christmas, and Merry Christmas to all spirits that are here. Take care of yourselves. Rest in peace. Please do not try to follow me. I am protected by Jesus Christ, by the light. Stay here. Go where Jesus Christ has told you to go. But just wanted to say hello and Merry Christmas. I'm gonna end this video as it's only been going on 10 minutes, but I didn't hear anything over the radio like before earlier today, but once I got home, my God, I heard so much that shocked me. But like I say, Merry Christmas, everybody. Rest in peace and take care of yourselves. Alright? Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'll let you know the outcome. Like I said earlier in this video. Let me shut this radio off. Okay. Earlier's video, like I said, I was out here like around 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I did a spirit box session, which I honestly didn't hear anything over the radio, and I said, okay, you know, it's daylight probably. I gotta imagine the spirits, they sleep, they have their off time. That's why I figured late at night they gotta be up or whatsoever. But once I got home and I put earphones on and I went over, like right, there's a record, you can record what the session that you're experiencing. When I put the earphones on, oh my God, I heard not only a handful of voices, but I heard gunshots. You know, as if it was residual. I've heard stories that certain things will play itself like over and over. You know, I forget what they call it, residual energy or whatsoever. But I was shocked to hear gunshots. But as I ended this video, this session or whatever, and I heard like 2 or 3 voices, but I couldn't. It's hard to make out, you know. Until you actually get home and you put earphones on and you take your time, then you actually hear exactly everything that transpired. But I'm going to conclude this video. This is the abandoned train station. Used to be Banana Joe's up on Wilkesbarre Boulevard. And that's it. It's Monday the 23rd, 2019, December 23rd. Merry Christmas to everybody. Spirits, humans, you name it, Merry Christmas. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys later, my next video, and we'll go from there. Have a happy and safe Christmas. Be good.